So there you have it, guys. Your chicken in oyster sauce is ready and waiting for ya. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Mel's Kitchen. And today we are going to make chicken in oyster sauce. So I'm gonna show you how I make my twist on it, chicken in oyster sauce. So before we go ahead and start, I'm going to show you all the things that you're going to need to make this chicken super yummy and satisfying to all the family. We're going to need some sweet peppers, oil, chicken cut in pieces, and I also already went ahead of time and seasoned my chicken with some browning, powdered seasoning, and salt. We're going to need a little water, cornstarch, onions and garlic, sugar, a little ketchup, and of course the main ingredient, oyster sauce. I also went ahead of time and preheat my saucepan. I'm just going to go ahead and put in my oil. I'm going to put in my oil. Don't need too much. And I'm going to put in my onions and garlic. The reason why I'm putting in my onions and garlic is because I want to extract all or most of the flavor out of the onion and the garlic before we add our chicken in. And then what I'm going to add is my sugar next. The reason why I'm adding my sugar is because when I add my chicken, I want my chicken to be caramelized as much as possible. If you prefer, you can use brown sugar. You don't necessarily have to use the white sugar, but that's okay. It will caramelize just the same. Add my sugar in, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken right in there. Yes, honey. And we're gonna mix that up. What I'm going to add now is very important. I'm going to go ahead and add my oyster sauce and a little bit of my ketchup. But you need to add your oyster sauce early because that's where the flavor is gonna come from. That looks so good, you guys. And now I'm going to add a little bit of my ketchup in here. You don't want to add much ketchup because you don't want the ketchup to take away the oyster sauce flavor. So you just want to add a little bit. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this and let it caramelize on its own without adding any water or any other liquid to it. This is why it is very important that you close your pot, because by steaming it will spring its own water and you might never have to add any water to your chicken. So we're just going to mix this up and see where we're at. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add all the sweet peppers to this. And then we're gonna cover it back for about 10 to 15 minutes and make this cook. Okay, you guys, so my chicken is cooked, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix a little cornstarch and throw it in there just to make my sauce a little bit more thick. I'm gonna use my cornstarch and throw some water in here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slowly put my cornstarch in my sauce, because you don't want to put everything in at one time. That way it will lump on you, and you don't really want that. To ensure that your cornstarch doesn't stick on you. And you just leave your cornstarch cook for a few minutes. So there you have it, guys. Your chicken in oyster sauce is ready and waiting for ya. So here you have it, guys. Another quick and easy meal for the entire family to enjoy. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If it's your first time watching my channel and coming to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep up with all my recipes and everything else that happened on my channel. And thank you guys for always watching. We appreciate every single one of you guys. And don't be afraid to try my recipes. Add whatever you want to add to it, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. See you guys on the next episode of Mel's Kitchen.